Namaste friends, welcome on our YouTube channel The Day of Past. Today is 9th December and this day contains many important events in it which you need to know. In 1946, the first meeting of the Constitution Assembly was held at the Jamindar Library building in New Delhi. The Muslim League boycotted the meeting and raised the demand for the formation of a separate constituent assembly for Pakistan. Sachidanand Sinha, the oldest member, was elected as the first chairman of the assembly. Later, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected the president and Harendra Kumar Mukherjee was elected the vice president. B.N. Rao was made the constitutional advisor. In 1961, Tanjania got independence. Julius Nyerere became its first head of a state and was renamed Tanzania in 1964 after its merger with the island of Zanzibar. Also on this day in 1979, World Health Organization announced the eradication of the deadly infection after about 10 blitz of the worldwide campaign to eradicate smallpox. Also on this day in 1941, China declares war on Japan, Germany and Italy in World War II. So that's all for today. If you got some information to this video, like the video, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel.